If you struggle to keep your business organized, need a better way to run your business seamlessly, or are just overwhelmed by complicated software, Finty is your solution. Finty is integrated software for accounting, repair shop, and inventory management. 3 tools in one package. In this video, I want to talk about the features of Finty. It is perfect for various business owners, including store owners and repair shop managers. If you have both a repair shop and a store, Finty is an excellent option because it allows you to manage both businesses with one easy-to-use and easy-to-learn software, saving costs and benefiting from software integration. You can find all features you need for managing your repair shop, such as issuing repair tickets, getting reports on incoming and outgoing devices, and sending SMS notifications to your customers when their device is ready for pickup, whether repaired or non-reparable. You can find features to manage stores too, including issuing sales and purchase tickets, automatic calculation of sales commissions for your salespeople who work on commission, etc. Another notable point is that there is no installation required. Finty is web-based, so all you need is an internet connection. Access it from your cell phone or computer anytime, anywhere, even while traveling. To start using the software, simply register and pay subscription fee on Finty website, pricing page. And then you'll receive login details within a couple of hours, and then you can easily access the software. Now let's have a quick look at the software features. Finty has several menus as you see here, and each with its own services. The user's menu includes all individuals associated with Finty, whether they are clients, employers, payers, recipients. In Repair Shop Management menu, Shelf Service, you can manage all shelves where you place the devices brought in by customers. In Ticket Service, you can issue tickets for devices that were brought in for repair. In the Report Service, you can see all the incoming and outgoing devices in your repair shop and view their status with charts, which can be very helpful. And these 4 services are for devices that were brought in for repair. In the Accounting menu, you can easily manage receipts, payments, expenses, income, and the entire financial process. All services are designed to be very simple and free of any complexity, making them very easy to use. In the Financial Reports menu, as you see here, you can see various services as well, including checks, bank, and everything related to your business's finance. You can also see the profit from your sales and services in details. If your salespeople or repairmen work on a commission, you can record their commission percentage in Finty, so that the software automatically calculates their profit for you. In the Warehouse and Goods menu, you can issue and manage various invoices, including sales, purchase, return from purchase, and return from sales. And the Settings menu is very flexible, allowing you to customize Finty according to your business needs. You can send text messages to your clients without needing to purchase a separate messaging service, as it's integrated within the software. Simply recharge your credit here, and you'll be able to notify your clients easily. And that was an overall look at Finty software. We have detailed tutorials on how to use each service of the software. Check them out and learn how to work with Finty. And if you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to contact our support team. And don't forget to like, share, and follow us to get notified whenever we post.